Welcome back to my video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the string operations. In the previous slides, we discussed the various kinds of arrays. One-dimensional array, multi-dimensional array, integer array, character array. So in character array, it is consisting of the strings. The mainly character array consists of strings, especially the C programming language has many inbuilt functions to perform the various string operations. To use them, we must include string.h. It is a header file. Apart from stdio.h and conio.h, the string.h must also be included. The various string operations are finding the string length. So there is a function strlen. This is the function which is used to find the length of a string. So the example C program has been given here. So the first statement, this is stdio.h. This is used for standard IO. It is input output, and as we told, the string.h is also included here to handle the strings. So this integer main indicates that the execution starts from here, and there is a character array. Char is the data type, and alphabet is the name of the array, and it is initialized with a string. So this string consists of the various elements, and we are going to find the length of the string, which is named as alphabet, using strlen function. So strlen function finds the length of the given string. So there are totally 26 characters starting from A to Z. See, naturally the output is 27. So string length function here calculates the total length of the characters. So each and every element is a character. So totally 26 characters are there. So the output is 26. So this is an important function. In the strings chapter, we use size of. So this function size of to get the size of string or array. Note that size of and strlen behaves differently. So both are different. So string length is used to find the length of the string, whereas size of also includes this null character when counting. So for example, int char five. So this 5 means there will be 5 characters. A, B, so all are given in single quotes because they are individual string elements. D, E, and finally the null value, null character. So in this way, the character array has been declared and it is initialized. So the output is here the size of the array is 5. Okay, so obviously the length is 5, A, B, C, D, E. So there are totally 5 characters. The length of the string is 5. But if we use size of means, it will be printed as 6. Instead of 5, it will be printed as 6, including this null character. So size of also includes the null character when counting. And similarly, the same example which we have discussed in the previous slide, the same string is given here. So alphabet is A to Z, so totally 26 characters. When you find the length using string length function, it is displayed as 26. The length is 26. If you use size of function, its display value is 27, including the null character. Are you clear? So string length only finds the length of the string, whereas size of characters also includes the null character at the end. The second function is to concatenate strings. So for that, strcat function is used. Suppose you want to join or merge two different strings, then this function can be used. Assume there is one string called str1, which consists of 20 characters. So 20 is the maximum size, but you can give less than 20. The string 2 contains world, WORLD. So there will be 5 characters assigned to string 2 and another 5 characters assigned to string 1. Now we are going to merge these two strings using string cat function, that is string concatenation function. So how to concatenate? The syntax is strcat within the brace, within the parenthesis, str1 comma str2. So what is str1? Is first string comma second string. So both are concatenated or joined together so that the output will be hello world. So hello is a different string, world is a different string. After concatenating, the output is hello world. So for this, strcat function is used. The third function is copy strings, that is string copy, strcopy function. So here also the string 1, which contains hello world, is declared, and the string 2 is also a character array. Now we are going to copy all the content of str1 to str2. Okay, so what is the syntax? strcopy of str2 comma str1. So the content of str1 is copied to str2, and finally the available content at str2 is hello world. So this is merely for copying the content. Hope you understood. Next, comparison of strings. For comparison of two strings, strcmp, that is string comparison function, is used. It returns 0 if the two strings are exactly equal. There is no difference. If both the strings have equal number of characters and the same characters, then it returns 0. Otherwise, a value that is not 0 will be returned. The value that is not 0 means it can be a positive value or it can be a negative value. That is decided by the ASCII values of the characters. So we will check the output using this program. So include stdio.h, include string.h, integer main, character data type. So there are 3 strings declared here. First string contains hello, second string contains hello, and third string contains hi. Compare string 1 and string 2. We are going to compare these two, string 1 and string 2. Both are same. All the characters are same. The length is also same. So when you compare these two, 1 and 2, 0 is returned. The output is 0. The output is 0 for the first part. In the second part, we are comparing string 1 and string 3. string 1 and string 3. We are comparing string 1 and string 3, which contains hello and hi respectively. Okay, the first character is same, H. In both the strings, the first character is same. Look at the second character. In the string 1, E is the second character, whereas in string 3, I is the second character. Both are mismatched. Whenever you face the first mismatching character, you have to find the ASCII value of both these characters. What is the ASCII value of lowercase e and what is the ASCII value of lowercase I? You find it, the value, to find the difference between these two values, and that will be returned. Okay, for example, if the ASCII value of lowercase e is 90 and ASCII value of lowercase I is 94, so ASCII value of E is 90, ASCII value of I is 94. What is the difference? It is -4. So that is why -4 is written here. So why -4 we are obtaining? Because the ASCII value of E is less than the ASCII value of I. Okay. Similarly, if the ASCII value of the character which is given in string 1 is greater than the ASCII value of the character which is given in string 3, then you will get a positive value. So you can obtain 0 or less than 0, that is negative value, or greater than 0 or a positive value. So this is nothing but comparison of strings using string comparison. Next, string reversal. Suppose if you are given a string, you want to reverse the string. That is, the last character must come the first position and so on. So a C program for reversing the string is given here. So header files are included. Execution starts here. A character array is declared. Then user is asked to enter the string. So get string. The string value is obtained from the user. Then this is the actual function. String reverse. strrev, reverse of string. Okay. For example, I am giving a string. The user is asked to enter a string. Okay. I am giving the string as computer. Okay. And after this function strrev, it is reversed. The computer is reversed and it is displayed. So this is a simple program for string reversal.